Guys, so welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video I'm going to talk about risk management. So I posted in a telegram channel last time for people to drop comments on topics that they want me to do a video on, and so on this channel I will be doing more talking into forex trading, how your journey has been so far, and then how you can solve simple problem that we have when as we are growing in uh, the forest industry. So with that being said, today I'll talk about risk management, and my talking is going to be in a different angle, and it's going to be a beginner friendly. So when we talk about risk management, sometimes you always hear on internet risk management, they want to take you into consideration mostly risk to reward ratio and then the capital involved. So to me, I have a lot to talk about on this risk management. Capital is also involved. The risk to reward is also involved, but there is strategical way to go with that, because it's not always you get good risk to reward trade, but 1:1 risk to reward, or sometimes even TP less than uh, SL trades are most trades that you can even hit take profit easily, or they are good trades to enter, but because of risk to reward you'll be leaving those trades. Okay, those who learn about risk to reward ratio in risk management will understand where I'm coming from, and I will tell you risk to reward is not necessary when it comes to risk management. Okay, so for risk management to capital is not uh, really matters. Okay, so it depends. The higher the capital, the higher your lot size. The lesser the capital, the lower you go with the lot size. And even if it's your capital is more low or less, you should go to trade cent. So those are the things that we will talk about. So first, let's talk about risk to reward, and why I said it's not really necessary, because you can set up a strategy, or you have your own strategy who that particular strategy doesn't give you good risk to reward always. So does it mean when your setup are in line you don't need to take the trade? No, I disagree with that. Why? Now let's come. So I have a strategy which have 60% 1:1 risk to reward trades, and also 40% good or 2 risk to reward ratio uh, reward. Okay, so for that matter, should I be leaving or taking away those 60% trade that I'm supposed to do to make a lot of money and depend on the 40% trade that will give me good risk to reward ratio? No, that is why I disagree with you. You can go into the market with 1:1 risk to reward ratio and be profitable. Sometimes the 1:1 ratio trades can come like 10 times, and then you win maybe 7 of them, and then 3 of them will be a lose trade, and you'll still be profitable. Why? It's more than what you are losing. Good. So with that being said, I said good risk to reward ratio also matters, but it's not necessarily matters here, because you just have to go into the trade if you realize the strategy is in good line and have that good risk to reward ratio. There's no need for you to leave it, just go into it and trade it. But I always tell people, every trader you go into, if your entry criteria are very strong, okay, all your trade are going to move into profit before loss. And with that being said, you should go with either good risk to reward ratio or not. Go into the trade. That is it. So that is what I have for the risk to reward ratio. Don't depend on a good risk to reward ratio, else you'll be losing a whole lot of trading opportunities, unless you know your strategy is not powerful enough to accommodate that kind of trades. Okay, so when we move to capital, so a lot of traders don't have capital. Most traders trade between $100 to $500, and some are even less than $100. So these are the category of traders that we want to have. Those who trade below $100. For those people, I recommend them trading on a cent account. for those people, I recommend you put trading on a cent account. So for IC markets, they don't have cent accounts, but when you go to FBS and then SNICS, they have cent account. So when I talk about cent account, when you go with price less than $100, $10 is going to give you, I think, 100 cents. Yes. So when you open a cent account in FPS or SNIS, I put the link under the video description. You can use my affiliate link and I'll get commission not from your money. Okay, you can help me do that as I'm helping you also to understand the forex journey. You can help me by using my link to register SNIS or FBS. The link is under the video description. So let's continue. So as I was saying, people who are less than $100 should go with cent account, and $10 is going to give you 100 cents, and you get $100 is going to give you, I think, 1,000 or 10,000 cents. Okay, so you should go with that. But if you are $100 above, $100 to $500, I recommend you using 0.01 lot size. But if you reach around 300 to 400 going, you should use a lot size of 0.02 or 0.03 sometimes, depending on how your strategy is good. I love to talk about this on live so that you can ask questions about it. I'll start YouTube live very soon too. If you want to join that live section, sometimes I used to do the live session in my Telegram channel, so you can also join the Telegram channel where we can share ideas together there, and you can have the opportunity to ask me questions there. So that is for the capital side. So from $500 to $1,000 and above, for that one you can go with the required percentage, which is you can risk maybe 0.5% or 1% on any trade that you open. Okay, so that is for the capital side. Okay, so for risk management, there is one particular thing that nobody talks about that I want you to let you know. When you talk about risk management, sometimes I include emotion as risk management. If you are not able to control your emotions, even risk management will not work for you. Okay, so emotion in relating to risk management mean opening your lot size. Okay, sometimes you will see some trade and be like, hey, this trade there is going to happen, so let me increase the lot size. No, emotion is affecting your risk management strategy, so you should take care of your emotion as well when you talk about risk management. So I also teach uh, emotions as part of risk management topic. Okay, not only emotion though is on its own as a topic, but when you are teaching anyone forex and you want to talk about risk management, make sure you include emotions in that side of forex trading categories. Okay, so I would love to stop here. If you have any question, you can drop it at the comment side. If you want to have a direct talk with me as well, you can join my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. That is where we share our thoughts right there. So see you guys there and have a nice day. We'll meet again on another section about a whole lot of topic involving forex trading.